Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Kobo Matter hardware matches Jedi Survivor requirements and that the game files are intact. Once done, connect controller, headset, and any external storage via USB-C, and make sure the unit has a stable 5V power source. Unstable power causes crashes. Launch directly into dock mode and set the display to 16:9 or your preferred frame rate and resolution so the engine loads correct textures. This prevents stutters and missing assets at start. You now optimize performance while playing to keep the experience smooth. First, lower heavy costs like shadows and particle density, then increase draw distance incrementally so the CPU doesn't spike. Next, set Kobo's performance profile to allocate more throughput to the GPU, which stabilizes target 30 or 60 FPS. You'll notice shorter frame time variance. Finally, save that profile as a game-specific config and run a 10 to 15 minute segment to validate. This reveals you wrap up by applying final visual tweaks for balance between clarity and performance, then export the config to external storage so you can restore it later. Make sure to monitor temperatures. If the system warms beyond safe thresholds, enable a more aggressive fan curve or a thermal throttling limit to protect performance. If the game crashes, immediately restore the saved config, inspect the log files for shader or asset errors, and reinstall shaders or verify files. This resolves most corruption-related crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.